Welcome to Finance with Avery. In this video, I want to tell you about this Chase College Student Checking Account $100 sign-up bonus. It's quick and it's easy, and I'm going to jump right into it here. First, let's go over the eligibility because that is very important. So let's zoom in on the fine print for the eligibility. Very important here. Now, for eligibility for this bonus, this offer is not available to existing Chase checking customers, and as well as those whose accounts have been closed within 90 days or closed with a negative balance within the last 3 years. So if you have a Chase checking account currently, you won't be eligible for this. If you've had one and you've closed it within 90 days, won't be eligible for this. Or if you had one that closed, something happened with it and you left it with a negative balance within the last 3 years, then you won't be eligible for this. So you can receive only one new checking account opening related bonus every 2 years from the last coupon enrollment date, and only one bonus per account. So if you did a Chase checking account, outside of that 90 days, closed it, good standing and everything, however you use the sign up bonus, then that has to be outside of 2 years. Now, if you open that account, closed it within, more than 90 days ago, good standing and everything, but you didn't use a sign up bonus, then this part would not be in regards to you. But if you had a sign up bonus for that account, then you need to make sure it falls outside of that 2-year range, because Chase does often have these sign up bonuses. And I did a video on one of their checking account sign up bonuses last year, and their bonuses do range $100, $200, $300 for their Chase checking account, depending on if it's just a regular Chase checking account or the student account. But with this one right here, you can only receive one new checking account in general, just checking account in general, opening related bonus every 2 years from the last coupon enrollment date, and only one bonus per account. And this coupon right here for this bonus is good for one-time use, so you can't, use it multiple times and you'll fall outside of that eligibility, of course. And with this $100 sign-up bonus for the Chase College checking account, the offer does expire on April 17th, 2024. So you'll need to sign up for the account before then. All right, so that was the fine print of the eligibility. Now, there are a couple of more eligibility requirements that are going to be on this main section right here, and I'm going to show you them on the screen and talk to me about them. This is for students who are within the range of 17 to 24 years old and enrolled in a college or a vocational, technical, or trade school. And students ages 18 to 24 at account opening can apply online. Now, if you're a college student, but you're 17 or you don't have a social security number, then you must apply in person at a Chase branch with proof of student status. And there's certain documents you can bring in to show your proof of status. There's 2 different documents you have to bring in right here, and you could go to their website and see the specifics. As you see right here on the screen, I'm going to leave this up so you can actually pause the video and check that out, because you have a primary ID you have to bring and a secondary ID. For U.S. citizens, these are the acceptable forms of identification right here. Now, if you're a U.S. permanent resident with a green card and a non-U.S. citizen, these are the acceptable items for documentation right here. And then also, they have it for non-U.S. permanent residents without a green card, non-U.S. citizens. The following are acceptable forms of identification right here. Now, depending on which category you fall into right here, these are the 2 forms of identification that you would need to bring in to that branch in person. Now, depending on how you want to open the account or how you'll have to open the account will depend on the next steps. Now, if you're 17 years old or you don't have a social security number, you would need to go into a branch in person. Before you do that, you'll definitely want to have the coupon code, so you'll have that when you open up your account to get the $100 bonus. So for that, you'll need to go to the Chase website, and I'll have a link in the description. It's not a referral link for me or anything like that. This is just to get you to this page right here. Now, once you get to this page, you'll need to put in your email address, and they're going to email you the coupon code. And so take that, whether it be on your phone, if you want to print it out, however you want to do that, just take that coupon code with you in person to open the account if you're 17 or you don't have a social security number. Now, if you are, within 18 to 24 years old and you have a social security number, you can still open up your account in person at a Chase branch. However, I think a lot of people will probably just rather do it online. So now we'll jump into the online portion. So if you're eligible to open it up online and you just want to go about it that way, you don't need to put in the email address right here to get a coupon code or anything like that. You just go to the sign up page right here. Make sure you're at the page that talks about the $100 sign up bonus, like this, website right here for Chase. This is the official website sign up bonus right here. And you just go to open the account, because the coupon code is going to be applied when you choose open the account. So you don't have to enter in a certain code or anything like that. It's embedded in the link. So once you click on that link, and it takes you to the site right here to start opening up the account, and it says what you'll need: they state right here, as you see, we're applying your offer. So you see it right here. Make sure you see that when you start signing up for the account, and that'll let you know you clicked on the right offer and everything, because they state right here they're applying the offer. And it says what you'll need right here. You'll need your social security number and a driver's license or state ID. And then you're going to set up your account preferences and you can start using your new account. Really quick, simple, easy process to sign up for the account. I won't go through that, but those are what you'll need right there. Those are 2 forms of identification you'll need and just the starting process of the account. But let's go back over into the portion of this sign up bonus. All right. So with that right there, we've gone over step 1 is open a new Chase College checking account, either online or at your local branch in person with that coupon code. Now, after you do that, open up the account, you'll need to complete 10 qualifying transactions within 60 days of coupon enrollment. So within 60 days of starting the account, you'll need to complete 10 qualifying transactions. Now, what are the 10 qualifying transactions? Let's click on this. Got a nice graphic that pops up here on the website. These are the qualifying transactions. They include debit card purchases, online bill payments, Chase quick deposit, Zelle transactions, and ACH credits, which is automated clearinghouse credits. So that's like direct deposits or transferring, money from a different external bank, another bank to the Chase checking account. What it means by credits is that you're going to be receiving money into this Chase College checking account as a credit. That's a credit because it's going to increase the account amount, the account balance with your Chase College checking. Now, if you send it from the Chase College checking to another account externally, that's going to be a debit. So you want to keep that in mind. So you can have, a certain amount of these transactions of transferring money from an outside external bank, whether it be, Bank of America, Citi, Ally, SoFi, Wells Fargo, on and on. I could go on, So if you're just transferring money from one of those banks to this bank, that's going to be an ACH credit. Zelle transaction is going to be, transferring money to or from another Zelle account. People pay each other that way sometimes, So Zelle, you can do it that way. Or you can have, a certain amount of debit card purchases. Now, you don't have to do all 10 of one of these. It could be split. You could do 2 of each of these, basically, because it's 5 different, transactions right here. You could do 2 of each. That's 10 transactions total. Or you could do 5 of that one, 3 of this one, or however. So you have debit card purchases because you will get a debit card with this account. And then you have online bill payments. You can use this account to pay bills. And then the Chase quick deposit, if you want to deposit a check, you could do that within the app. And that counts as a transaction as well. So you could do a mix of these to get that at least 10 qualifying transactions. And that will make you eligible for this bonus. Now, you complete those 2 steps, opening up the account either online or in the branch with the coupon code, and then complete 10 qualifying transactions within 60 days of opening the account. After you do that, your $100 bonus will appear in your account within 15 days after completing the qualifying transactions. And they state you can spend your $100 or whatever you like. You can keep it in the account, use it for purchases, use it for bill payments, or you can transfer it out of your Chase College checking account to another bank. So it's up to you what you'll do with that $100. However, there is some fine print with that $100. Now, after those 10 qualifying transactions, they're going to deposit that $100 bonus into your new account within 15 days. However, you need to make sure that your account is open and not closed during that time. Keep it open, keep it in good standing, I would say. Don't let it be in negative standing, a negative balance or anything like that. Keep the account open, have a few dollars in it or something, a few hundred, a few thousand, whatever you want to have in the account, but keep it in good standing because they want you to have your account open to receive the bonus. After that, once you receive the bonus, if you're like, oh, I'll use the account a few more weeks, few more months, and I'll, transfer the money out, close it. That's up to you, of course, but make sure you keep the account open in time to receive the bonus. And you want to make sure your account is not restricted at the time of payout as well. So make sure it's in good standing and nothing, is going on fraudulent with the account or in negative balance, or anything like that. So don't have your account restricted and don't have your account closed. And also, in regards to that $100 bonus, it is considered interest, and it will be reported to the IRS on a form 1099-INT, which is the 1099 interest form, or the form 1042-S, if applicable. So this will be reported to the IRS, and you should probably get that form in the mail when it comes to time for, reporting on your taxes in 2024. So this will be, for your taxes that you file in 2025. So earlier part of the year right here, but it is something that will be, reported to the IRS. So just keep that in mind. With these bonuses, these sign up bonuses, it is nice to get that $100, $200, $300 or whatnot here and there. I do these videos every now and then. Definitely have a playlist about them too. I'll link it down in the description, but it is something to keep in mind with the taxes about this. But the amount you're getting, of course, is going to be more than any taxes on. So it's still, of course, worth it when it comes down to it. And so that is pretty much it to the point of how to receive that $100 bonus. Now let's talk about some of the features with this student checking account. There is no monthly service fee. With the stipulation, it states that there's no monthly service fee up to the graduation date provided at account opening, which is a 5-year maximum for students 17 to 24 years old. There's no initial minimum deposit you have to put in the account to open it. You can open it up without any money at all. No minimum deposit. And also it has zero liability protection for unauthorized debit card purchases when reported promptly. So if you notice something looking odd on your account, you're looking at your account through the mobile app or online or something, and you see some charges that you did not do, definitely report that because they do have zero liability protection. Speaking of the app, you can manage your money within the Chase mobile app available on the Apple and Google Play app store. So anywhere you have a connection 24/7, you can keep track of your money, check out your account, things like that. And also they have Chase Overdraft Assist. And also you can transfer funds, as I was talking about earlier, transfer funds to another bank account or through Zelle. There's different ways to receive funds and to transfer funds in and out of this Chase student checking account. And they do have thousands of ATM and branch locations that you can use your Chase debit card at. It says more than 15,000 ATMs and 4,700 branches. And also they have a credit score feature where you can know your credit score with Chase Credit Journey. So some other features with the account that are nice to see right there. Definitely want to be able to have a mobile app, to transfer your funds to and from the account. Having Zelle is nice. Having access to your account through ATMs and branch locations is definitely important for some people. So there's some information right there on the Chase College Checking Account with $100 bonus. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.